Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prepping hardware and getting into recovery. This avoids bricking. Charge the phone above 50% and connect via original cable to a PC with Samsung drivers installed. Once done, power off and hold power plus volume up plus home or power plus volume up on newer models until the recovery menu appears. Make sure to note which key combo works for your model, because pressing the wrong keys can trigger download mode instead. You now diagnose and attempt fixes in recovery methodically. First, choose Reboot System now to see if a simple restart clears the error. If problems persist, select Wipe Cache Partition to remove corrupt temporary files without deleting user data. Make sure to let the process finish. Interrupting can worsen issues. If the phone still fails to boot, prepare a backup on PC and consider factory reset. This erases data, but often restores a stuck system. You finish with advanced options and a key troubleshooting tip. If recovery or factory reset fails, use Odin on a PC to flash official stock firmware. Make sure the firmware file exactly matches your model and CSC, because a mismatch risks permanent damage. Once flashing completes, reboot and verify normal operation. If the phone remains unresponsive, swap USB cable and port, then repeat. If issues persist after these steps, seek authorized service to avoid hardware-level problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.